What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today I'm checking out some products from ProClip USA. Now, being upright, forefront, whatever, I can't think of words. ProClip reached out to me. They saw some of my posts, some of my videos talking about how I was having a hard time finding a good phone mount for inside my car, and reached out and asked if I'd be interested in checking out some of their products, see if they would solve some of my issues, concerns, and things that I wanted. As you guys know, I just put my phone in my cup holder, and it's not really the best. I can't really see it and engage with it or whatever, even just to hang up on calls or throw them to voicemail, etc. I guess I could do that from the steering wheel, whatever. But it's nice to see the maps because I never use the navigation in the car. You always run Waze, and it's just when it's in the cup holder, you only get like half the phone. Now, supposedly in the box, they sent me a couple different items, and let's just jump right on into it and check it out. Okay, as you guys know, I now have my iPhone X and I have an i7 Plus, and they sent me a couple products. I think at least they talked about it. Here, let's just dump out the contents of the box. So they sent an extra large shirt with a thank you guys. Unfortunately, I'm a lot fatter than that. And then they sent me, it looks like, 2 different versions of their phone clips. So first one is their ProClip console mount for the Chevy Camaro 2016-17, which also fits the 18 because it's the same exact car. And then it looks like, I don't know if this is an adapter of some sort, but this is an iPhone X. Looks like an adapter. It looks like it fits in quite a few different places. So we'll check it out. So there's a couple different products here from, again, ProClip USA. And let's see how they work and how they install and see if I like them in the car. After opening the product, I realized this is the actual holder. It mounts to the side knee rest area on the Camaro. And then this is the actual clip that holds the phone. So there's a little slide-in mount, everything like that. This one's specific for the iPhone X. They make all sorts of different types. So if you don't have an iPhone X, you can get it for Android or all the other different brands. And this screws in. So there's 4 little baby screws that screw into the back of this, that screw into the actual holder. So let's go ahead and assemble that. So according to the instructions, since this comes pre-assembled, there's a screw right in the center. You remove that screw, and I'm using I think this is a number 2 Phillips. I believe that comes off, yes, like so. And then these little baby screws. Now I hope my screwdriver's the right size, because if it's not, I'm in trouble, because I don't have a smaller screwdriver. So I'm just going to get these started, and it is the right size. Oh, magnetic tip. So that's cool. That's in. Go ahead and line that up. Put this back up together. This part's a little tricky because it wants to move on you. Get that tightened in position so that's nice and tight. We're good to go. So now we have the phone holder on the actual clip. So let's see how this clip fits inside the car. Okay, so the ProClip, it does have 2 sticky pads on it. You can see them in blue. One on the top, one on the bottom. Before I peel those off and stick this where it's gonna go, I want to make sure fitment and everything is good. So this sits right on the car like this. You can see it just slides right in place, and it's good to go. And actually, let's see if you can see it. Of course, sun setting. So you can see it, it's just clear. Really, I'm gonna have to close the garage. Sunlight. And I dropped my phone. Gah! Okay, now that we have the phone in its holder and it's faced the right way, you can see the phone just slides right on in gives you plenty of space for cables and connections and all that stuff. The position of the actual phone is off to the right of your main center console setup, so it's not necessarily in your way. You can fully tilt and adjust the phone how you want. If it's too tight, you can actually loosen the bolt. Remember when we put it together, I put it on pretty tight so it doesn't move too much for me. So this isn't gonna get too crazy or vibrate all over the place. But overall, the position is really nice. Now, I use my phone a lot when I'm running. Oh, password. Sorry. So I use my phone a lot while driving with Waze because I don't like the built-in setup. Waze is what I run. This is a perfect place for it. So when I'm driving, looking over, I'm not really ever looking at it all the time, just when turns or off ramps, or maybe if a police officer or something spotted, etc. But overall, I think the clip positioning's good. It looks good where it's at. It's not too crazy. And I think they did a decent job here. Now, I will highlight, if you're a big guy like me, your knee potentially could rub against this. It's a smooth surface, so it's not going to mess you up too much, but just something to keep in mind if you're someone that's driving around by yourself and that, you know, no one's really sitting here. It's not really a big deal for you, so either or. But I think the clip is not obtrusive. I think it looks decent. I think over time I'm really going to have to see how I like it, but for now I think it looks pretty good. The phone's in a great position. It's not blocking any of the buttons I need to get to. I think it's pretty good. But as far as the final install goes, once you verify the placement that you want, tuck it right on in where you want it at, take it right on off, peel the blue tape off and stick it on, and it's permanently there for good. So there you have it, ProClip USA, super easy to install. It does get your phone out of your way in a sense, but it's still in easy eyesight. So if you have text messages, stuff like that, you can still see it where the phone is at. Again, be safe when you drive, but again, this does allow your phone to be there. Like me, I use my Waze Nav, perfect position for it. We'll definitely be using it and checking it out more. But it's a decent little product. If you guys are interested in it, check out the link down below. Again, this product was provided to me by ProClip USA. Thank you for sending the product over and letting me check it out for review. I'll really get a better handle on it over the next couple months, because I really think you have to use something for a while to really kind of get to understand how well it works, or the kinks, and you guys know what I'm talking about. Either or, thanks for checking out the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, post them down below. As always, guys, thanks for watching the video, and until next time, I'll see you on the road.